Right, we're looking at expanding 3 brackets here now. Ultimately, this is just expanding 2 brackets, but with a bit more. Okay, so if you're not very confident at this, use the table, okay, that I've shown you before, okay, on other videos. But ultimately, do 2 and then multiply your result by a third one. So I always multiply the second 2 first. So I'll do this in the table just to remind you of the table. So x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay, and I get x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. And so what I ultimately have then is x minus 1 times x squared minus x. I've simplified here, I've simplified these 2 parts, okay, minus 6. And so then again you could use another table if you really wanted. Okay, so I've got x minus 1 there, x squared minus x minus 6, alright, and I've got x cubed minus x squared minus 6x, and I've got minus x squared plus x, because I've got a minus 1 times minus x, plus 6. Okay, and so therefore I'm going to simplify all of that. I get x cubed, I've got these 2 parts, okay, which gives me, what is that, minus 2x squared. And then I've got these 2 parts to simplify, which is going to give me minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so I always do the second 2 and then multiply the result of that by the first bracket, but it doesn't really matter which way round you do it. It's just like multiplying numbers. Remember that the algebra is just numbers in disguise. Whatever order you multiply 3 numbers, you're going to get the same answer. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, now this second question is a cuboid has a square end which measures x by 2. So I'm going to draw a little picture of it, x minus 2 and x minus 2. There's my square end. Alright, and then it's got a length of x minus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2 squared, which is minus plus 4. There you go. That should be squared. And then I'm going to multiply out x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x minus 4x squared plus 16x minus 16. I'm going to simplify x squared minus 8x squared plus 20x minus 16. Okay, so expanding 3 brackets, no harder than expanding 2 brackets. Just take a little bit of care. It's very easy to make mistakes, which is why actually I would thoroughly recommend the table, but I've run out of room for this one. So there you go. But yeah, take a bit of care, nice and easy.